Changing your bank details in crypto.com is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can change your bank details in crypto.com. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to follow these instructions. First things first, you just have to be at your app and then you have to tap on your deposit. After tapping on your deposit, you will see a page something like that. This thing shall pop up. Here you have to click on this fiat. Now, after clicking on fiat, you will be able to see this is what your bank accounts will be. You just have to click on the bank account that you have. Or you have to select your local currency for now. So in this case, we're selecting United States dollars. You just have to click on that, and then you will be able to see how you want to get the withdrawal. If you want to do it by using bank deposit or by doing with wire transfer. So I'm just going to click on bank deposit, but because we want to change our bank details. Once you're on this page, you will be able to see your bank details right here, which you will easily be able to change it or add a new one. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.